Hello there, beautiful people. My name is Ferdy, and in this video, I will show you how you can play around in WordPress, even when you don't have a domain name or web hosting or a local host. I will show you a tool that will enable you to play around in your own WordPress website without having to sign up or do something else. So in order to do that, let's go to ferdycorp.com/taste WP. Hit enter. Look at this. It is a lot of languages. So if you're Italian, you can click over here. What I can do, I can sign up right now. I agree with the terms. I click on set it up. And now a website has been created for me. Look at this. This is my password. And I click on access it now. And this is my website. Look at this with a nice cool name over here. And now I can play around within this website for 2 days and 40 seconds. Those 40 extra seconds make it an extra appealing thing. So what I can do now, I can clean up my website. That's always what I love to do when I have a new WordPress installation. So maybe I'm like, okay, this is my website. I just want to play around with it. Well, let's do that. I go to the backend and I go to appearance themes and I want to add a new theme. Let me dismiss this. Can I dismiss this? Yes. I click on add new and I go to Astra. I can install the Astra theme. I can just play around in my own WordPress website that will be active for 2 days. So maybe you want to try a new plugin. Maybe you don't have money yet for web hosting, but you want to follow my tutorial. Then you can watch this over here. And the great thing is when you're finished, you can save your website as a backup. So there's an update. I will update the Astra theme. Look how fast. This is a video where I'm not editing anything. It's just the way it is. And I have my own website over here and it doesn't look that good. So what I can do, I can go back. I can go to appearance, Astra options. And I want to go for the importer plugin. So I have a complete website imported with Astra. Import or import, start importer website, import starter website. I don't know, but I'm clicking over here. I choose Elementor. And yeah, I want to go for the free version since we're also using a free website. Let's see if there's something with e-commerce. Okay, the organic store. I import the complete website. Fill in some details. My first name. Okay, I need to leave my details over here. Okay. Submit and start importing. reducecorn.tastewp.com. That's my website. Just created a few minutes ago. Now I can play around with it. And I really like this because now I can play around and you can do the same thing. So as I said before, you can follow my tutorials. You can start creating a new website for a client. Maybe you don't have working software on your computer that can help you to have a website running on your computer. You just want to get started. You just want to play around really quick with no hustle. Then you can use this. Well, this is importing. Let me go back to tastewp.com. There's also an advanced setup. You can choose the WordPress version. You can choose the PHP version and you can exclude and include a few configurations. Maybe you want to say, I want to go with the Ocean WP theme. And I don't want to have a pop-up plugin. I agree with the terms and I can create a site over here. Look at this, my second website. Let's access it now. And right now, it already has the Ocean WP theme installed. So let's see how we're doing over here. So also here, I can decide to download Elementor, add new. And again, I have 2 hours and a few seconds again. So I search for Elementor. So right now I'm creating 2 websites at the same time without having to sign up, leave my details, all that stuff. Okay, it takes a while. Okay, let's start with a new page over here. I call this the home page. I publish it. and I click on edit with Elementor. And then I click over here. I want to go for this page insert. How are we doing over here? Okay, the websites are a little bit slow, but what can you expect from a free website? So I create this beautiful website right now, and maybe I'm like, hey, I want to save this for when I want to get web hosting or do something on my own computer. In order to do that, go to the dashboard. Over here, go to plugins, add new. There's a problem, you know, when I get too excited, I get also really quick in doing things. So I'm sorry for that. Search over here for all in one. WP. WP migration. There it is. Go with your mouse over to this place and click on install now. When you've done that, activate the plugin. Now over here, export the current website you have. Click over here, click on File. And now I can download this and I can use it on any different website. So again, you have 2 days to create this and then you can export it and use it on a different website. So that's what I wanted to show you about Taste WP. What else can you do? You can sign up and then you can use your website for 7 days before it will be deleted. And when you leave your email, you probably will get a notification or an email like, hey, within 2 days, your website will be deleted. So make sure you do the things you need to do. So that's what you can do. You can taste WordPress without leaving any details. And I think that's a great thing. So if you want to make use of that, go to tastewp.com or to ferdycorp.com/tastewp. I'm not affiliated with them, but then I see how many people go to that link and I can keep track of statistics. I love statistics. You know, statistics make my life. No, I don't know. There's no story about statistics. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe for more upcoming WordPress related tutorials. And then it was going so well, and now I made an error. I need to start over again. Actually, the video is already over, so everything you see from this moment on is just nothing. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you, to fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to see. Reason lyrics. 'Cause you are the reason. Swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see. This is the weirdest end I made in a video so far. Let's see if I can make it even crazier the next time. Okay. Have a great day and see you later. Bye-bye.